This is the Baileigh MSS-14F, combination shrinker and stretcher. It's a manually operated machine that can handle up to 14 gauge mild steel and has a 6-inch throat depth. One of the coolest features of this machine, get in close and have a look at this. This machine features a patented magnetic jaw system that's reversible. Right now I've got the machine set up to do shrinking. Well, I'm going to turn these dies around and I'm going to make it stretch. I'm going to show you just how that's done. And again, note, I'm not using any tools. It's all done with magnets and these locator pins. You got to be kind of careful because the magnets are pretty strong. And that's probably the most difficult part of setting the machine up, is fighting with these pins. There's our top dies. Remove the lowers, reverse them. There's actually letters punched on here, so you know you're doing it right. Again, the magnets, pins were indexed. I'm going to bring down the top die, give myself a little bit of lash. Got a piece of aluminum here. What I'm going to do, that feels pretty good. A little bit of lash. And again, you want to take that lash out so you're not kicking so deep. Keeps the pedal closer to you. It makes the job just that much easier. Now, of course, I'm using aluminum. You know, the thicker gauge, steel, etc. you use is going to make it a little more difficult. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? As you can tell, this is made of a heavy-duty steel construction right here in the beautiful US of A.